Hello YouTube. I made it about 3-4 miles, probably 5, to the first bridge. I wish I could show you the old bridge, but I didn't want to take my phone out back there. I'm gonna get my, let's see if I can walk out here, see how far I can walk. I'm by myself. Stop, taking a break. I got on my good, supposed to be right there is the old bridge, if you can see it. It's got a rope swing. As you can see, the water is moving pretty good from all the rain we've got. Oh. I hit something twice and fell out. I'm trying to dry out my case now for my phone. It is actually waterproof. Samsung 5. It is waterproof for me anyhow. There's my wallet. I got it tethered to a hook that I put back here. It's still dry. But the life jacket I bought, there's no promo, no nothing. Check it out. Got a GoPro mount on it. I didn't bring the GoPro with me because I didn't know how this trip. I ain't never been down this river. Okay. I stop here and I get out and drink me a cold one. And I don't know if y'all see that, but it's Coca-Cola, trademark, registered in U.S. Y'all know I'm blind. Patent Office, Augusta, Georgia. Has a very, very old bottle because they ain't there no more. Has no chips, no nothing. So I have something else to add to my collection when I get home. Whew. Oh, I'm in the No Limits Explorer 10-foot. I put everything on it. Everything you see I put on it. It was just plain as it could be. I had to buy the new high-rise seat for my back. Oh, it's okay. It ain't nothing special, but when I'm gonna buy another one just like it. And I'm gonna add them together and put a 3-foot piece in the middle of it and make a catamaran out of it with a 3-horsepower motor on it, or a 1.9. I ain't sure. I was looking at it at Sports Academy, but it done pretty good. The only reason I flipped is because for the first time was when I first got in it, because I had never been in it before. This one. I got a 12-foot one. I'll show you that. But anyhow, I got in it and I put my feet in the middle and it just turned right over. I put my feet right there where the Coca-Cola bottle is, right there. And it just flipped right over, so. Anyhow. I seen a thing on YouTube. Y'all can come on down here and fish. And I seen a thing on YouTube to where it shows where you put both feet on both sides, hang them over the edge, and it gives it more buoyancy. And alright YouTube, you have a good one. Bye bye.